Hello. Greetings to you, wherever you are. Today I have brought you this traditional tea which is going viral in Asia after a famous herbalist revealed and claimed that this tea may help to improve the size of that thing. I visited 3 towns where banana blossoms are even being stolen and sold at a very big price. Today I show you how this tea is made. Get the 2 parts as you see in this video. If the banana flower is white in the inner part, get the inner part, and do not use the outer reddish part. We normally use the inner part for cooking and eating banana flowers. I will use the outer part to show you how to make this most wanted recipe. Cut into small pieces and soak into hot water for 10 minutes. Get half an avocado seed and cut into slices. Drain the soaked banana flour and put together with avocado seed slices. Add half liter of a clean water and boil for 7 minutes. Drain the tea. In 1 cup of your tea, add half teaspoon of pure coffee. Add half teaspoon of ginger powder. Add 2 to 5 tablespoons of honey. Drink 100 milliliters of this tea every evening before sleeping for 7 days. Wait for the result in 15 to 20 days. If you see no changes, try a different recipe out of many traditional and natural recipes made of natural foods. Thanks for watching.